Me and Tomo just found this random park, so we're about to go swing on one of these swings. I have not done this since I was a child. 3, 2, 1. We've just arrived in Tiano for my birthday in advance for our trip to Mount Cook, and let me show you where we're staying. Wow, beautiful. Wow, so cool, Tomo. True. 9 and 2. Happy birthday, Dindy! Happy birthday, Dindy! It's 7 AM right now, and we're just heading over to the main house for breakfast. It's not raining at the moment, but then we need to rush off on our way to Milford Sound. It's going to take I think an hour, maybe 2 hours to get there. But apparently there's beautiful stops along the way, so we're super excited, but we're super tired as well. It's the nice. So cold right now, I can't feel my fingers. We're getting so oh my goodness. So strong. How magical. We're about to head into what was or is Fangorn Forest. It's super rainy, so I don't know how long we'll be able to stay and take pictures. It also says private land, no trespassing, but we're gonna trespass, but only a little bit, I promise. Okay, we're now in Fangorn Forest. This is the part where Pippin and Merrin were running for their life, and then they fell on the floor. The orc was about to stomp on them and kill them, and then Treebeard, or maybe this is Treebeard, came out of nowhere and just stamped on that orc and saved them and took them to Gandalf the White. And honestly, it's so beautiful. It's even better than the film.